1 cup of this prescription lower blood pressure and clear the clogged arteries. Remedy that we will prepare today eliminates bad cholesterol, protects the arteries. This treatment will undoubtedly help you to cleanse the liver. Also eliminate excessive fat in the blood and obesity. Protect you from infectious disease. Strengthens the heart valves, dissolves gallstones, increases appetite and digests food faster. All you need is 3 ingredients that are definitely in your home. Ingredients: 1 gram raw turmeric, 1 gram cinnamon, 3 grams fresh ginger. Make your own raw turmeric. Buy fresh raw turmeric as you need it and cut it into small pieces. Now dry it at room temperature. When dry, crush it, but you don't need to make a powder. Store it in an airtight jar. Procedure: first, soak all the ingredients in 1½ glass of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Then cook on low heat. When 1 cup is left, turn off the stove. Pour into cup, add a teaspoon of honey, and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. If you are diabetic patient, do not add honey. If the disease is severe or chronic, use it twice in the morning and at night.